It is my pleasure to welcome all of you to the San Diego Alignment Workshop, reflecting on the first alignment workshop that took place 2.5 years ago. This was our largest event yet, with over 300 registered attendees. I'm really excited to have you with us today because we're at one of the most important times to be working on AI alignment.
I really love coming to the alignment workshop. It's a way of being connected to the community of people right at the very heart of what's happening in alignment research.
One thing I really appreciate about the alignment workshop is that it gets a lot of different people from different perspectives, research areas, also from different backgrounds, be it governance or technical. Having this kind of space where those different communities come together is just incredibly valuable.
Through events like these, BAR aims to bring together people from all around the world leading in AI safety to identify the most important problems and most promising solutions. Being able to have so many people meeting in person and exchanging ideas, fostering collaborations, and really developing solutions will drive progress over the next months and years to come.